Hey, Jonathan here with ScreenSteps. So, out of curiosity, what kind of grade would you give your knowledge base? Would you compare it to a student like Hermione and give it high marks? Or is it performing more like Ron and just barely limping along? Of course, you want to say your knowledge base is performing well and give it an A+. But the reality is that work life gets busy, and over the last few months, maintaining your knowledge base may have taken a backseat to other projects, which means that your guides are inaccurate, and end users can't trust them like they used to. And a knowledge base that can't be trusted is about as useful as a broken wand. So if your knowledge base needs some improvement, it's time to perform a gap analysis. And in this video, I'm going to share 3 steps to performing a simple gap analysis, which will help you identify where your knowledge base is doing well and where there are opportunities for improvement. The first thing you want to do is look at your reports. With ScreenSteps, you don't have to guess whether people are using it or not. You can check out reports to see who's looking at articles, which articles they're viewing, what they're searching for, and whether those search results are coming up empty. You can also see whether end user comments are being addressed. And you can see whether your articles have recently been reviewed and certified. Looking at these data points will give you an idea as to whether your knowledge base is being used and whether your guides have become stale. Next, write down all the questions people are asking in chat, messaging apps, or email, and determine if the answers are in your knowledge base. If they are, check to see if your articles are accurate and easy to read. If they're not, well, now you have a list of knowledge base articles that you need to write. Remember, the #1 reason people use your knowledge base is because they need answers to their questions. If they can't find them in your knowledge base, then they won't use it. Finally, perform a user acceptance test. Watch your end users actually use your knowledge base to perform tasks and get answers. Evaluate whether your users can find the guides they need and see if they can use them. Can users navigate and search to find what they need? Are your guides easy to follow? Take notes on where your guides trip people up and where you can make things more clear. All right, there you have it. 3 steps to perform a simple gap analysis and evaluate your knowledge base and give it a grade. If you're doing well, great. Keep up the good work. If not, well, then it's time to get to work. And if you want some more guidance on how to identify which guides you need to create and how to improve your knowledge base, sign up for our free webinar where you'll learn how to do just that.